Have you ever wondered how to locate or generate or find a way to get the all-time video count views for your channel? That's a very good question. Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to generate or find out the total amount of video views on your YouTube channel using a Mac computer in the year 2026. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for YouTube and videos that we have uploaded to the channel for them to generate views. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio via a shortcut within bookmarks. Click on this, wait for that to load, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. We have two different ways that we can find the all-time video views for the channel. Let us go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to Analytics. We then want to go to the top right corner and then filter by lifetime. That will tell us the amount of video views that the channel has generated from the day one creation of the channel. We can also go to View Channel on YouTube and then go to More, scroll to the bottom, which will tell us the all-time amount of video views that the channel Computer Science Videos has generated since the 1st of October 2018 until now, which is the 20th of August 2026. So we can now click on X, quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.
Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.